Stop manually typing numbers into your Excel tables. It looks messy and takes way too long. Let's build this interactive spin button menu in under 60 seconds. First, look at your top ribbon. If you don't see the Developer tab, just right-click any tab. Select Customize the ribbon and check the box for Developer. Hit OK. Now click the Developer tab, click Insert, and under Form Controls, click the Spin button. Click and drag inside your cell to draw the button. Hold the Alt key while you resize it to snap it perfectly to the cell borders. Right-click the button and select Format Control. Under the Control tab, select inside the Cell Link box. Then click the cell right behind the button. Set your minimum value to 0. Wait, before you hit OK, click the Properties tab and select Move and Size with Cells. This is key so that when you expand your cells, your button stays perfectly in place. Now you can see how these values are changing when I click on the spin button. It's completely interactive. Follow for more daily Excel secrets, and let's leave that manual typing in the past.